Alright, start tapping the knees towards the ground softly. Make sure you feel your core. That will keep you in balance as you do this one. These are not your typical exercises. You find them in home flow practice, which I'm offering you, not in a normal workout routine. So it's just designed to take you out of your usual movement patterns. That's why I like to be very specific and organic. Let's relax a little bit the legs, just shaking it to release the tension as we move to the next. So now we're going to work on the internal rotation. So just softly bend your knee in to find that outside spot here. We want to move that bone inside of that area. This is again not something usual. Most of us move the same way every day, walking forward, sitting, standing, but real strength and flexibility comes from diversity. So the more ways we move, the more resilient and adaptable our bodies will become. Let's try now pushing it outside. So just a little bit on the outside border of the foot. Find your own limit. It's possible that you lose balance here. It's more finding resilience in this, maybe even like a bit weird position. Breathe as you do it. Find your flow, find your way. We've been sitting too much, locking our hips. And over time, this limits our mobility. That's why I'm offering this lower body exercise. So what we do here, we go from squat, we knee, and we sit on our heels. What I do, I go a little bit backwards. And again, forward and squat. Forward, sit. Activate your abs here as you go a little bit down and forward. Take your toes and squat. So you see we stay in the toes. Forward. And basically that you're massaging the ankles a little bit. Pull forward. So you're working on the lower body, but you are constantly activating your core to find the balance. It's a really good way to affect your posture and the back health. Simple and efficient exercise. So that's how we do it. We use movement to recover. We use movement to reset and strengthen more these areas. Strong mobile hips improve balance, joint pain, and even enhance your circulation. And to end up today, peoples, this simple and efficient stretching exercise, you just open up your knees, gently going up and down. As you see, I'm touching my elbow on the ground. Go with my head, take on the ground, up, stretch arms, and again. You have to find what is your limit, how far you split your knees. For me, is this one here. So I feel a little bit, not pain, but I call it the stretching sensation. If you feel nothing, please try to get your knees a bit wider. We want to feel something. We want to feel that little resistance of the muscles. So after that, it will help you to feel more energized and agile. So we are here researching and then showing to you how lower body strength is linked to longevity and brain health. We need to move our body so we think clearly. Body and mind are just two sides of the same thing. So I'm glad to be sharing with you this simple and effective exercise you can do in the morning when you wake up. You can do it also in small breaks through the day. If you're a person that's sitting a lot, that's probably going to be very helpful. Thank you so much. Slowly recovering. Don't move too fast after that. I see you next time, people. Keep following Flow.